with another one.
Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D coming back with another video. Today's video is going to be on door handle installation. You see how bad and dried out this door handle looks? We're going to replace it with this bad boy right here. See how dark that looks compared to this one? Alright guys, so the first thing you're going to do to remove this door panel is to remove this Phillips head screw here, and then there's a 10mm screw, let's see, right there. You're gonna have to remove that one too. Now after you remove both of those, you pull up on the door, and then you're gonna disconnect the connection to the window controls right here. Pull up on it and pull off. One. Yeah. Make sure you disconnect this. Pull back this plastic. Take a razor blade and just cut this tar that's holding this on. You only want to cut from here all the way down to about down here at the bottom down here, okay? You don't want to cut too much. You don't have to cut all of it. You're just pulling it back enough to get to the door handle, all right? So we're going to start here. So that's as much as you need off. Let's pull down so you can see. See? You don't need any more than that off, okay? All right, so the next thing you're gonna do is remove this insert here. You could take a flathead or something sharp to kind of just get up under it. There you go. All right, so once you remove that insert here, there is a 8mm nut right there, as you can see it. Right there, see that? You have to remove that. And you have to remove the one that's here. Okay, so it's one right here, and then it's one inside here. You have to remove both of those. We're gonna do that next. That's that. Got that one. And then you have one in here. And that's that one. Now we're on the other side of the door. It's loose. All you have to do is just grab it, pull up on it, and pull down. Just like that. You have to clear this little piece of metal here from out of that hole. All right, so once you get that out, see this white clip right here? You have to pull this white clip off of this rod, all right? All right, so let's remove that. So I just take like a pair of needle nose, just kind of grab it right here, and then just twist it. See that? Let's get it. Just like that. All right, so now that that's off, all you have to do is pull like that, and that's it. Now I suggest you clean all of this dirt off first before you put the new one on, just to let you see how the clip looks. See that? It just holds on to the rod to keep the rod from coming out. Alright guys, so just to let you know something, the front door handles are bigger than the rear. If you can see how one's bigger than the other. So this is the rear, the shorter one. This right here is the front. To know which side is what, it says it in here. Let's see, where is it? Right here, right hand, that's the rear one. And this one says right hand. And this is the front one. So you do need to know that. All right guys, so let's go ahead and put the new one on. As you can see right here, it's a hole in this plastic. That rod right there has to go through that. So you're gonna put the rod through. Just, let's see, make sure this is up though. Just like that, put it through there, like that. Once you kind of get it in, take your thumb and push it all the way through. Then push the clip down, just like that. Now we're gonna put everything, make sure that that thread right there has to go right through that hole. Same on the other side. All right, so before you do that though, you push down, put that metal piece under the door like that. There you go. Then make sure you line the holes up, and there you go. It's on there. Now let's put the nuts on the other side. Nut on. I'm gonna put the other one on. All right, so let's check it right here. It's on there good. So now we're done with that door. What we're going to do is put this plastic back on. Just make sure you push it down pretty tight all the way across. This is called a vapor barrier. So you want to make sure that you put all this plastic back. Now remember, before you put the door panel back on, you want to put this insert back in first. All right, next thing you're going to do is right here, you're going to make this connection right here with this. Like that. All right. So the lock right here, this hole right here has to go over the lock. Then we just push it in and drop it down. The lock. The next thing we're going to do is put the Phillips head screw in, and then we're going to put the door handle on. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on here like that, kind of lock it on, then I'm going to put the door handle in. Alright, so we got that installed. And that's it. That's how you install your exterior door handle on your 2006 Dodge Ram 1500. This is J.O.A.T.D. In the description area, I'll have links to where I got the door handles for you guys. And that's it. All right, guys, have a good one.